Good morning from Xinjiang. This is Yunus Khazali. Today I'm going to start my day with this place. This building is Xinjiang Museum and it is also called Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region Museum. It's a very long name. In short, it's called Xinjiang Museum and it is located in Urumqi. So only one thing made me interested to visit this place, that is the Asian mummies. Yeah, that is the best interest to me, that I am going to visit this because I have never seen, and I'm not going to show you a lot of stuff so let's get in this museum. As I said, I'm here to see mummies, and this one is the second famous mummy in China. She was called Loulan. She was very beautiful because of her beauty. And there was one more mummy, the most famous mummy, but the Central China Museum they took for the display, but they haven't returned them here. So they have around 2 famous mummies here. After that mummy, which they haven't written, and I forgot that mummy's name, and that was a small baby. I tell you why the skin was dried but the bones were not dried, because they were buried in sand, not like we know there were some mummies, not some mummies, a lot of mummies in Egypt they put in coffin, but in China they buried in sand. So the skin was dried because the weather was dried here, so there was no water inside the body, so that's why still we can see some mummies. Otherwise these bones and everything could be spoiled if there was water inside the body. So this is the story how they have mummies in China. This is a statue of a warrior from that ancient time, and this might be a mummy of that person. So is this a mummy of that person?
Yes.
Oh, so that's why 他的身体是这么大的 right?
是的。
Look at the body. So that's why this person's body is bigger than others' mummies, because he was so strong. So that's why, right? Wow, wow. Look at the crowd behind me. This is different. I have visited many museums in China, but I have never seen such crowd. A lot of visitors are here visiting this Xinjiang Museum. 我想问你对这个博物馆最深的是什么？
是那个干尸，看那个干尸，因为那个干尸是最特别的，然后最难
看到的。
对，但是干尸的话是，我觉得应该这个是这个博物馆的特色。虽然有点恐怖，但是还挺有意思的。
Follow me Rome Rush for more enjoyable content.